We have members joining in. ये बात. Let's do this. चलिए शुरू करते हैं भाई साहब. With lot of energy, with lot of joy, lot of positivity. Let's begin. Chest out. Shoulders back. Get that beautiful smile on your face. With those sparkling eyes. Let's begin. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. गाड़ी के बोनट से निकले परी. Fantastic. Never understood what it means. Sounds fantastic. Let's start, everyone. Okay. Here we go. Chaliye. If I am audible, members joining in. Raghunath aage bhai sahab. Fantastic. Too bright if I'm audible. The voice is low. Visible, audible. Yeah, voice is fine. If the voice is not fine, it looks pretty fine from my side, technically. Please check the audio on your side. If you could increase the volume. Increase the volume. Echo. It's echoing, okay? It's echoing, it's echoing. Let me just check. Good, good, good. I'll just check. Oh, you're right. You are right, Rajesh ji. Thank you. You are right. अब आएगा मजा. तब तक एक ही सेकंड. Thank you, Rajesh ji. You're right. There is some. I'll just fix it. Baki, till then, just tell me. Any plans for 31st? Just mention. क्या प्लान है 31st का? I'm just setting the sounds. Little issue with the sound. It's pretty funny, huh? Yay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Is it fine? No echo, Rajesh ji? Please, let me know. No echo now. Fantastic. Good condition now. पहले आपकी हालत खराब थी सर. अब आपकी कंडीशन अच्छी है. Thank you for that. Good condition. बहुत बुरी हालत थी भाई. Okay. Very good evening, everyone. Very, very good evening. सिर्फ बचे हैं 2 दिन. Only 2 days. Wow, man. Life is. How many of you think the year went very fast? If you think it went really fast, just type F. And if you think, oh God, this year, it felt so long. If you felt the year was too long, type L. If you went like, woo, it went very fast, just type F. See, let me see for how many it was fast. Fast and furious, Swati is saying. Pawan is saying, sir, fast. Jasmine is saying, okay, yes, it's sounding. Atharva is saying fast. Most of you, it's fast. Okay. Raghunath saying, not fast, not long. It was fine. Okay, Suresh is saying fast. Rajashri keh rahe hain aap. Fast. If the year has went a little fast, overall you really enjoyed the year. when we have a good time, the time flies very fast. When we have a very bored time, it feels like very long year. If the time has gone very fast, it just shows that somehow you were engaged. You were entertained by this year. Maybe by the problems, maybe by the good news. But there was something that kept moving. So in a way, it was engaging year. It was a good year. Achhi baat hai. Very nice. Very beautiful. Very nice. So anybody have any resolution set for the new year? Don't tell me, but if you have a resolution, just type R. If you have not decided on a resolution, just type ND. NDR, not decided on resolution. Yeah, so Swati has a resolution. Very nice, Swati. Resolution. Yes, sir, लिख के रखा है. राजेश जी कह रहे हैं, सर लिख के रखा है. लिख के रखा है. Happy Soul, resolution है. अथर्व का resolution है. रोहित वेद पाठक, जिन्होंने कई सारे वेदों का पठन किया हुआ है, उन्होंने भी resolution डिसाइड करके रखा हुआ है. बहुत सारा, बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Many people have certain resolutions. Fantastic. Okay, Angad, we have Angad. I can see after a long time. अंगद जी ने रेजोल्यूशन डिसाइड किया है, भाई ठान लिया है, करके रहेंगे अपन. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to help you in whatever resolutions you have set. And if you have not set any resolutions, I'm also help you to set. Basically, it's not resolution, it's something else. It's going to be really nice. Let's explore, let's go. So today we're going to work on 3 things, step by step by step. 3 most important keys that will make your new year better. And you will get a nice roadmap how you can go ahead in this 2026. Okay? So let's do this. उसके पहले एक छोटा सा नन्ना मुन्ना प्यारा सा दुलारा सा हम ध्यान, we can't even say dhyan, just get it little relaxed. Okay? So let's do a little bit of relaxation for 2 to 3 minutes so that our mind, our body gets aligned so that we can work upon the roadmap of 2026. Hare Krishna. So let's start. Okay. यार smile करो, tension नहीं, लड़ने नहीं जा रहे अपन. ठीक है ना? Don't get too serious. Smile, smile. Okay. Smile. Okay. Very nice, everyone. Let's do this beautiful exercise. The most serious exercise that we ever do in our sessions. Swati, can you tell me which is the most serious exercise? Yeah, Atharva, you didn't attend it. Yeah, laughing. Absolutely. We're going to laugh for a couple of minutes. Okay? There's no better relaxation than laughing. Yeah, everyone, thank you, Atharva, for reminding me. Everyone, make sure you have your pen and paper. Okay? ऐसा पेन और पेपर लेके बैठो, नहीं तो ये सेशन का कोई मजा है नहीं. Okay? Whatever you want, if you just think, it makes no sense. If you think it, ink it. Okay? मैं तो बस बोल दिया था दोस्त को, हमको लगा हो जाएगा. पेपर पे था क्या? लीगल लॉयर्स क्या कहते हैं? Was there anything written on paper? If it is law, if it is your plans of future, make sure it is always. I keep on writing like crazy. Okay? Only then your thoughts are real. Otherwise, they are just khayali pulao. So yeah. So everyone, please get your pen and paper for today's session. Yes. And for the next 2 minutes, we laugh for no reason. Only then we can be aligned. Okay, so let's start. कैसे हंसना है? Sir, I'm very serious. Okay, so let's have a serious laughter. So, everyone, chest out, shoulders back. Okay. Just smile for no reason. As big a smile as you can. Big smile. Ear to ear smile. वो जोकर देखे आपने? Yeah, big smile. Smile. Okay, smile crazily. And what you're going to do is you're just going to make the sound with keeping the smile on. ho 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 ho. Getting it? Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho. Very very simple. Okay. Sir, but we are planning for roadmap of 2020. क्या जरूरी है हंसना? Very important. The person who is going to create the roadmap of 2026 should be joyful, should be happy, should be peaceful. Okay? So your mental state should be more playful and joyful. For that, this is mandatory. Okay? चलिए शुरू करते हैं, my friend. Okay, Kavya. Yeah, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. It would be really super, super amazing if you could unmute yourself. Where's this thing? Okay, chest out, shoulders back. Where's that thing? Yeah, okay. Yeah. So here we go. At the count of 3, yeah, okay. Just let's start. Is this fine? Is this okay? Let's do 1, 2. Just give me 1 second. I'll just put the settings on. Yes, the settings. Okay, chest out, shoulders back. The settings are almost there, done. Okay, here we go. किधर गया? ए मिल गया बेड़ा मिल गया. चलो. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to unmute you all, everyone. Let's start. So get your pen and paper. For the first 2 to 3 minutes right now, we're going to just laugh, do nice breath work, get relaxed. And after that, we'll start working on setting roadmap for 2026. So everyone, please unmute yourself. Okay. And we're going to laugh. You smile like this, ear to ear, and you're just going to make the sound. Okay, and we have our wonderful Swati. Her laughter is very infectious, like a kid, and you'll all start laughing. Okay, let's start. Should we start, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So everyone, please start laughing with Swati. Here we go. Let's start, Swati. Oh. Use your shoulders. अरे वो zoom कर दिया. क्या बात है? Oh, Swati, boy, come on, stop, Swati. Well, funny. Sorry, kid voice. Okay. Sorry, please. Oh, God. Oh, finally. Fantastic. Very nice. Don't you think Swati's laughter is so much like a kid, no? Very cute, huh? Very cute.
Contagious.
How do you manage that, Swati? How do you manage that? We want to learn from you. What is the secret?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, nothing. Good. Let
Joy.
it be between you and me. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I know the secret. Okay, we will keep the secret with us. If it is not, if it is open, then it is not a secret. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very nice. वेरी नाइस लेट्स मूव चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं बस 1 मिनट का रिलैक्सेशन लाफ्टर हो गया ओके यू आर इन ग्रेट बेटर स्टेट देन प्रीवियस वेरी नाइस ओके एवरीवन टेक योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस एंड मूव योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस मूव योर फेस ओके जस्ट किडिंग डोंट डू दैट क्रॉस योर फिंगर्स लाइक दिस ओके टेक योर हैंड्स अप हाई इन द स्काई stretch as high. Okay, now this zoom has a problem. It starts zooming me. Okay, now your hands up high in the sky. Take left on your right. Keep your chest out, shoulders back, chin parallel to the ground. Beautiful posture. Eyes closed for just a minute, not too long, before we set the roadmap for 2026. Chest out, shoulders back, spine erect. Eyes closed. Beautiful. Keep your eyes closed, everyone. Fantastic. My dear friend, your whole body loose and relax. You're going to start breathing in when I say start. You're going to breathe in slow and deep with a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hold for 2 and exhale from your mouth with a count of 8. 4, 2, 8. And my dear friend, please begin. Let's start. Breathe in slow and deep. Hold for a couple of seconds and exhale from your mouth as slowly as possible. Fill in your chest with every inhalation. And exhale as slowly as possible. Breathe in slow and deep. And exhale as slowly as possible. Exhale from your mouth. With every exhalation, your mind is getting calm. With every exhalation, your body is getting relaxed. Allow the divine to fill up the inner space within you. Slowly, very gently, open your eyes. If you're in the middle, just finish the exhalation and very slowly and gently open your eyes. Very nice. Open your eyes, and in front of you, you should have your pen and paper. Yeah? And let's start working for this new year 2026. Okay? Now, 3 things we're going to work. Very, very important. 3 questions. The last question is going to be the most important. Most important. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to work on 2026. Yesterday we dropped 2025. On 1st of January, morning 6:30 we're going to meet. Yes, there was a planning of meeting tomorrow, but I've cancelled. I feel it would be more important, more powerful to meet on 1st January. So we're going to integrate, we're going to start a beautiful journey on 1st of January. So I'll share the link, invitations. Make sure you join on the 1st of January at morning 6:30. Together, let's start the new year with a bang. Okay? Whatever we did yesterday, whatever we're going to do today, we're going to integrate that and we're going to blast on 1st of January something so powerful that you will have goosebumps. Okay? Absolute tears in your eyes. You'll be filled with absolute fire, courage, confidence and joy. Coming back to today, let's start. Number 1 thing, everyone, with your pen and paper, we begin. 3 questions for 2026. The third is going to be the most important. Let's start with the first one. Please write 3 good habits you want to build in 2026 and why. Please write why. Okay? For example, you have to write in why. Building this good habit will give me dash. And not doing will give me dash. For example, if I say I'm going to start exercising, or I'm going to start going to gym as my new habit from New Year. Okay, this is the new habit, first good habit. And why? Going to gym will give me dash. Weight loss, better fitness. Nice, you write that, and below, not going to gym will give me whatever. Lethargic, weakness, not a fit body. So write the positive and negative in why when you do a good habit. Got it? 3 good habits minimum you have to write that you are going to build in this year 2026. Good habits with why, the reason. Got it? Let's start. Start only with 3. When you finish 3, if you want, you can just write more. The reason is important. Okay? Let's start. I'll put 5 minutes for this question. Okay, let's start. Write 3 good habits and why. When you finish 3, mention few more. Here we go. Let's start. With the music, 5 minutes start. New music. Yeah, the 5 minutes start. Be specific. Your habits are directly responsible for the type of mindset you have. Good habits naturally build positive mindset. You must write why. Why is the motivation? Motive to take action. The good habits could also be appreciating more people, complimenting your friends, colleagues. Good habits could also be saying I love you to yourself every day. If you finished with 3, keep writing more. Write tiny good habits, smaller one. You're doing wonderful. Why is the emotion? Without emotion, no action can be taken. Okay, 5 minutes are over. If you're in the middle of writing, I'll just extend 1 more minute. Habits shapes your character. The sum of all your habits is your personality. Hope you all have decided. Fantastic on good habits. Fantastic. Let's move to the second question for the 2026. Before we move to the next question, which is very important, how many of you are there with me now? If you're there with me, just type TWM. Otherwise, I feel I'm just talking to a lens. Oh, Angad said everybody's laugh is so infectious. Thank you, Angad. Well, Swati, thank you. Thank you. There with you. Thank you. How kind of you. Victorious Vipul, Happy Soul, Rohit with Padak, Invisible, Jasmine, and Swati, Rajesh Ji, Atharva. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nihal, Pavan, and Tharva. So the first question is done. The second very important question. Many of us have good habits. But one of the things that really spoils, rather stops us from achieving our goals, is our bad habits. Right? We all have bad habits. You, me, who doesn't have bad habits? Certain bad habits are not bad. It's not that we shouldn't have. But certain bad habits, if they're really spoiling our potential, sabotaging our potential, they should be pulled out and thrown out of our lives. The next question is, please write minimum 3 bad habits you want to break in 2026 and why. 3 bad habits you wish to break in 2026, and after each bad habit, please write why. If I keep on doing this bad habit, then it will lead to, and please write that thing. Unless there is no why reason, then there is no emotion, then we can't break the bad habit. Got it? Minimum 3. Till the music goes, keep on mentioning. Here we go. It is going to be 5 minutes with the new music. The 5 minutes start. Here we go. The 5 minutes start. Bad habits could also be lying frequently. Bad habits could also be breaking commitments to yourself. Not necessarily alcohol, cigarette. From big to small. Let's break it in 2026. completed 3. Please write more till the music stops. Please write why you want to break. Bad habits. Are those insects? Which eat up all the fruits. The fruits are the potential within you. It's time to break the bad habits. Five minutes are over. If you are in the middle of writing, I'll extend 1 more minute. As much as good habits are important, even more than that, it is important to break bad habits. They pull us back. Let's break them. Breaking of bad habits is important. Okay. Fantastic. Very nice. Thank you, happy soul. Okay. So these are the 2 important questions. Now the third and the last one, very important, taking you to the roadmap. Everyone, let's move to the third. In your life, many people suffer through any kind of mental health issues because they do not have anything very exciting for future. It's a very redundant, boring future. If the future is very exciting, very inspiring, you do not have time to think about worst case scenarios, negative thoughts. That future is so exciting, glittering. In 2026, write 3 things. 3 inspiring things you want to achieve in 2026 and why? Here, please just write 3, not more than 3. Write 3 inspiring things. They should really inspire you. You should really feel like, wow, I'm going to make this happen. Okay? You should feel inspired just thinking about it. Wow, let's do this. Okay? You're going to write 3 inspiring things. So you're going to write inspiring thing number 1. Write that and write why you want to achieve it. If there is no reason, then there is no emotion. If there is no emotion, there is no action. Okay? So write 3 things and please write why. Let's do this. With a change of music, you're going to have 5 minutes. In those 5 minutes, you can write. So let me just change the music. Okay, the 5 minutes start. And very important, my friend. I'll restart the 5 minutes wait. It should be tangible. It should have a number. In this new year, I want to be more happy. I want to be more joyful. Not that inspiring. Make sure that it is tangible. It should have a value. It should have a number. Okay, for example, I want to have an ideal weight of X kgs. I want this much hike in my job. Or I want to go to this trip with my family. There has to be some tangible, okay? Just I want to be happy and joyful. That's not a great inspiring thing. Something that you can actually go and get it. This much my business should grow in twice the revenue, thrice the revenue, whatever. Make sure it is tangible. Because I've seen if it is just nice goody words, makes no sense. You can't go for it. It will not inspire you. Okay? So let's start from the 5 minutes from the top. 1. Let's start the music from the top. Here we go. Let's start the 5 minutes. And if you have done writing 3 inspiring things, if at any time, make sure you write the why much deeper. If your why is really powerful, no, why you want to achieve, only then you'll achieve. You understand? The pain, the joy, something has to be there. Why I want it. You should not feel like your life is dependent upon it. I want to achieve because it's nice and fine, nothing will happen. Have some pain. If I don't achieve, I'm going to feel this pain. If I achieve this, I'm going to feel this pleasure, this joy. Write the why longer. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Okay, the 5 minutes start now. I'll completely change the music. You have 5 minutes. write the words in the why. Write the emotions. Feel that emotion, why you want to achieve it, as if your life is dependent upon it. As if once you have achieved the goal, what you'll say on the stage. Five minutes are over. If you are in the middle of the writing, keep writing. I'll extend 1 minute more. Okay. Okay. So are we done? By the way, how many of you are there with me up till now? If you're there with me, just type TWY, there with you. Okay. Fantastic. And Raghunath is there. Jazz is there. Suresh, Rohit, Vikas, Nihal, Angad, Swapnil, Swati, beautiful, thank you. Rajesh ji, and music is cool, huh? So these new meditations that are coming, they will have these wonderful tracks behind them. Okay, happy soul. So are we done? No, something very important is remaining. Pay attention. You have written these 3 inspiring things that you want to achieve in 2026. Out of these 3, I want you to choose one of highest priority or something you're more inclined to. If you had to choose only one, please choose any one right now. Okay, and if you're done choosing that one, just type D and I'll tell you what to do then. Okay, Pawan is done. Okay, Angad is done, Atharva is done, Nihal is done, Swati is done, Vikas is done, Jas is done, Rajesh is done, fantastic, Suresh, N is done, Rohit is done. Now what you got to do is, to this most important, I want you to think like this. Salman Khan's film, usually if you have heard releases on year end or Eid mein aa jati hai na, December. How do these guys plan? If the film is supposed to release on December, then they go reverse engineer, go back. Then they say कि यार 2 महीना marketing होना चाहिए. October, November, fantastic. if October, November marketing has to happen, then at least 2 months before editing should happen. So let's say October, November, then August, September में editing होना चाहिए. August, September में editing होना चाहिए. तो फिर कितना हो गया भाई? जुलाई, जून, जुलाई 2 महीना तो शूटिंग चलेगा. अच्छा, जून जुलाई शूटिंग चलेगा. जून जुलाई शूटिंग चलेगा तो उसके पहले कास्टिंग होना चाहिए, लोकेशन फाइनल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए 2 महीना और. देन दे विल से अप्रैल मई. ओके, अप्रैल मई. ओके, देन दे से व्हाट अबाउट location, what about the cameraman, who's going to be the sound engineer, what about the script, which is the best script that Salman के लिए सूट होती है. एक्शन चाहिए. what about the script? so by script होनी चाहिए, ideation. so it will take more 3 months for all these things. so it starts from Jan. For when they have a idea, they have a script from Jan, and that's how they know that December film has to release. From Jan it starts, and then December it actually releases, giving you an idea. So they know the end goal, and then they reverse engineer. That one goal that you have decided right now, I want you to reverse engineer. I want you decide on your own, being very rational, don't be overly optimistic. What do you think, which month it can get achieved according to you and your range of goal? Let's say you think that goal can be achieved, the magnitude of the goal, it can get achieved, let's say December. Then what do you have to do? Reverse engineer in 4 segments. 3, 3, 3, 3, like that. Okay, let's say it is like 8 months. August is month 8. So what do you have to do in first 2 months, second 2 months, third 2 months and fourth 2 months? August में वो goal achieve हो जाएगा. So create like 4 segments, 3 segments, you decide, and reverse engineer the goal. You're getting what I'm saying? You decide that one inspiring goal. You decide any month tentatively right now when it is going to get achieved. What do you think? And from there reverse engineer. If you don't want dates exactly, at least write the flow. After the session, you can sit and think about the dates. Okay, ये month में इतना होना चाहिए. It's all tentative, okay? So as I said, film should get released on Eid, or let's say New Year, December. Then how the flow happens? Yeah? So they start working on script first. Then blah, 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 blah. So at least write the flow. The end goal is, the goal is achieved. What was the goal of Salman? Film release हो गई भाई. Flop हो गई वो तो, या hit हो गई, we don't know. Film release हो गई. That is the end goal. You please write the end goal, that first, and just write the process from that, and the process starts from 1st of Jan. Got it? Very simple? Fantastic. If you have got it, please type GI in the chat box. Yeah, very simple. Reverse engineering is very important. Okay? How much ever you could write, just next 5 minutes, please write the end goal and then come back till 1st of Jan. If you think it is going to get achieved in December, up next December, let's say 30th December 2026, the goal is achieved, or whatever, December 2026, then reverse engineer. Let's start. Please write the process. Okay, here we go. The music changes, and for the next 5 minutes, try and write the reverse engineering and the date. If you want, you can write now, or after the session you can write. 1, 2, and 3. It's a nice music. Let's continue with this. 1, 2, 3. Your 5 minutes start now. you're done writing the steps, then keep writing the smaller notes. Who can help me in doing this? Who should I connect with? How can I do this faster in lesser time? Okay, 5 minutes are almost over. If you are in the middle of the writing, I'll give you 1 more minute. Mention any small pointers. You want to make it even more detailed in next 1 minute. Mention dates, months, if you want. Okay, you can just keep the pen down if you could, and slowly close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes and take a deep breath. Slowly exhale with a smile. Take one more deep breath and exhale with a smile. Very slowly, very gently open your eyes. Anytime you wish, just open your eyes. How are you feeling after doing the exercise? Anything you want to say, feel right? Just mention if you could. If you want to say on audio, video, message. Anyways, mind soothing for everything. Clear headed Angad is saying, 1st January, we are going to make sure whatever we have done today, we're going to see that happening. We're going to rehearse that. We're going to integrate whatever that we have done in 2 days. We'll take the blessings of the higher energies, and with the energies, with the blessings of the higher energies, whatever that we have decided, it'll come true. It'll surely come true. तथास्तु कहेंगे भगवान ऊपर वाले. Yes. Suresh is saying the background music is really amazing. Absolutely. Thank you. Pawan Malad is saying amazing. I felt like I will write something related to earning more money, but that wasn't inspiring. Got more clarity. Wow. How wonderful. Beautiful, Victoria Super. Really good and clear headed, sir. The clarity that you have given is just insane. Thank you. Seems like a celebration is on the way. The music is adding more to the feel. Thank you. Anybody has heard about Rashmi Rathi? If you have heard about Rashmi Rathi, Rashmi Rathi is thank you. When Lord Krishna went to Kaurava, yeah, thank you, Jad. Thank you. When Lord Krishna went to Kauravas, and he went to Kauravas and said, let's not get into fight. You take more of whatever you want, more land, more wealth. Just give us little this to the Pandavas and us, and they'll be happy in this little petty stuff. You take the entire, we don't want much. But something very, very bad happened. They insulted Krishna. And what Krishna said is Rashmi Rathi. It's crazy. It is fighting back. It is bouncing back. It is showing to the world who are we. That Rashmi Rathi we are going to explore on the 1st Jan, morning 6:30. We are going to get that fire inside. What Krishna said, we're going to hear that out. I'm going to tell you the backdrop of everything and allow that feeling of bouncing back. Whatever happened in 2025, done, past, gone. Let's start fresh. Let's start with might, fierceness. Okay, little aggression. Okay, let's make it happen. So it's going to be Rashmi Rathi. It's going to be whatever that we have done in these 2 days, we're going to integrate. It's going to be a lot of fun. And on the 1st January, we are also going to explore, you're going to get access to very deep meditations. You can see on screen, people who aren't aware, just want to show them. Go www.sadhosh.com. Okay, this guy, if you're aware, okay, this is going to change a little bit. And you will see view programs. Just go here. From 1st of January, in world of meditation, first thing we are going to launch is ABCD of meditation. Now you can see all these things. These are just like templates. There's nothing inside. ABCD of meditation and other meditation are going to be here. Please start with ABCD of meditation on 1st of January. Nobody on planet Earth has dared to talk about meditation in that depth. I've spoken about meditation, giving references of what Upanishads say, what modern science says, what Osho says, what Eckhart Tolle says, what Patanjali says, what are the different misconceptions of modern man, in about meditation and how to meditate, by the way. Right? How to meditate. Proper step-by-step guidance I have given. What is meditation? And most I have spoken on the very last chapter what is meditation. What is not is I have tried to explain in very simplistic way, which you will get access on 1st of January. Make sure you explore it. It's beautiful. And first you go through it. Make sure you share it with your friends, because people on the name of meditation doing different things. Okay. Any which way, really happy that you had a great time. We are gonna meet on when? 1st of January, morning 6:30. Till then, to each one of you, a very happy new year. Happy 2026. Each one of you is a gift to the world. So I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I love you too. Who? Angad, Atharva, Happy Soul is, I think, Happy Soul is Mr. Khattar Saab. Yes, love you, Invisible. Love you, Jasmine, love you. Angad, love you. N, love you. Pawan Malhotra, love you, brother. Raghunath, loads of love. Rajesh ji, loads of love. Rohit Ved Pathak, love you, brother. Loads of love. Suresh is the first person who has joined the community. A different emotion. Loads of love, man. Swapnil Shah, loads of love. Happy New Year. Swati, loads of love. Happy New Year. Victorious Vipul, loads of love, brother. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to each and everyone. Whatever happened, throw it in the past. Let's start with absolute bang. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Love you all. See you on 1st January, 6:30. Thank you.